What's up everybody? So today we're on a call and we got a 21 VW Atlas that we're gonna do a alternator on. So this car is not charging, so we're gonna take out the alternator and change it. So first thing first, we're gonna disconnect the battery and we're gonna work underneath the car. So let's get going. Down here, what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to obviously get the belt out, and then I have 13s for the AC compressor. I'm gonna try to remove the bolts, unplug everything so I'm not pulling on the wires. I'm gonna try to drop it and see if I can take it out from the alternator from down here, because up there's no room. Alright, so our tensioner is up top and it's a 16mm. Alright, so we got two plugs, one right here, one more up here, and we got 1, 2, 3 13mm. All these 3 bolts are exactly the same. So next we're gonna take out this pulley right here because it's on the way. That's another 16. And then from there on, we got 2 bolts for the alternator. 1, 2. On the alternator, 2 13mm. These 2 bolts again, exactly the same. Alright, so in the back, right here, we got a, looks like a 8mm right here, right there. That's holding the bracket. And then we got the main right here that we're gonna take off. There's another plug up there, but we're not going to most likely reach the plug until we bring it down a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this bracket right here too, because it's sticking out too much and it looks like it's banging around. So there's another 10mm. Alright, so this is gonna be really tough, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna push this and the lines out of the way as much as you can. So from there on, I think I might have enough room to get this out. Alright, so here's our old alternator. We got our new one, original alternator. The part number for it. I think this is a, it's made by Vallejo. It says VW on it, but it's, I guess, made by Vallejo. Alright, we're ready to put this in, so let's get going. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up and then that way, so we can clear the lines too. So this is gonna go up. I'm gonna tilt this a little so you make yourself enough room. Alright, we're in. So as you can see, the shroud is on, the tire is still on. If you just move the AC compressor just back a little bit, you'll have enough room to get this in from this area right here. So alright, get the bolts and put it back together. First we're gonna put our long bracket back on. We're pretty much better off with a small ratchet. So next up we're putting the plug back on, which is all the way up top. Alright, next we got our 13mm bolt, the main power. Forget the little cover. Alright, so this pulley right here has a washer in the back, so make sure you don't lose the washer. So last up, our AC compressor. Alright, don't forget the 2 plugs. One right here. One more up here. So now we're ready to put the belt on. Here's a belt diagram for you in case you don't have one. Alright, so we'll set up our belt from down here, and the tensioner is up there, so we'll get up there and take care of the tensioner. Right, our belt is back on. We're gonna go down there, inspect all the pulleys, make sure every single one of them is in. Okay, the belt is sitting good on all the pulleys, so we're good there. Now we're gonna put our battery back on and check the charging system. So we're at 14.48. This looks good to me. We'll take this on the test drive, make sure everything's good. Alright, so with the scanner on our test drive. Alright, we're all set here. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found this helpful. Take care. Peace.